Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest version on Ubuntu server 24.04.1 LTS version. See, I have connected to Ubuntu server and see here, see this is the IP, that is 192.168.106.162. So I am going to connect this server by using putty. Load, see same IP I am going to connect. Click on open, connect to it. See, I have connected to same Ubuntu server. Okay, control it. Now go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Hit enter. Now click on documentation or download. So click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins. Then select the Linux. See here, Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions. See, it's available for Ubuntu. Okay, so minimal hardware requirements are 256 MB of RAM, 1 GB of drive space, and recommended are 4 GB plus of RAM and 50 GB plus of drive space. Okay, remaining is fine. And also we must have Java. So right click, open link in new tab. See, these are the Java versions for the respective Jenkins LTS versions. Okay, see, for the latest version 4.2.479 we must have Java 17 or 21. Okay, so first verify whether we have Java or not. Go to terminal, control L, verify Java version. See, we don't have Java, so here I am going to see Java 17 supports. So I am going to install Java 17. So copy this command. I will keep this command in the video description, or you can type it manually. Hit enter. Then provide the password. Type and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify Java version. See, we have installed OpenJDK 17. Okay, prerequisites matched. Now go to here, go up, click on Debian or Ubuntu. See, we got the commands to execute. These commands are long-term support release. But if you want, go to home. See, you can also get the same commands. If you go to here, click on documentation or click on download. See here, we have weekly release and stable release. Then click on Ubuntu Linux. See, we got the same commands like here. Okay, so copy these commands one by one. See, entire these 5 lines is a single command. Copy it, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. It is done. Now install the Jenkins. Okay, sudo apt get install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, it is going to install 2.479.1. This is the latest stable version. Jenkins installation is success. Control A. Now verify the version that we have installed. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.479. Now check the status of Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins service is active and running and it is enabled. Quit control L. Okay, one more time. See, this is the initial password. This password is required to connect to Jenkins. Okay, we can also get it by going to variable directory that I will show you. Now open new tab, then type localhost, not localhost. Here we have to give the IP of this one. See, this is the IP, so I have to give that one. ifconfig. See, copy this one, paste it with the port number 8080. Hit enter. See, now we can get the initial administrator password from this file also. Copy it, sudo more, paste that one, hit enter. See this minute, go to quit. See this and this both are same. Copy either of them and paste here and click on continue. See, now customize Jenkins. See here we have two options, install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. I am going with suggested plugins. So click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. This may take time. Also notice here Jenkins version is 2.479.2. Now we have to create first username. So I am giving username as Jenkins admin. You can give anything. Then set the password for this user. I am giving username as, later also we can change this password. Then provide full name for this user. I am giving Jenkins. This is any name. This can be anything. Email also can be anything. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. If you want some other, you can configure. So if you are okay with all the settings, then click on save and finish. See, Jenkins is ready. Your Jenkins setup is complete. So click on start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. See, here we have the new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my views, build queue, build executor status, and also see here if you want to create job, you have to click on here. If you want to set up an agent, configure cloud, etc. options are there. If you want to add the description, you can click on here. Now click on manage Jenkins. Here you can find different sections like system configuration, security, status information, troubleshooting, tools, actions, and other options. Suppose if you want to add plugins, you have to click on here. If you want to add nodes, you have to click on here. Click on plugins, available plugins. See, these are the list of the available plugins. And if you want to see the installed plugins, see, these are the list of the installed plugins. Okay. Advanced settings. I'm not going to configure anything. Now click on manage Jenkins. Users, in security section, click on users. If you want to create user, you have to click on here. Modify the settings of this initial Jenkins admin, click on here, click on settings. If you want to change the password of this user, click on security. Here we have to provide new password and you have to click on save. If you want to provide token, you have to click on here. Go back. The last option that I am going to show you is, suppose Control L. See, this file doesn't exist, gone. Okay. Now sudo, check the status. See, Jenkins is running, so we are able to connect. But if we stop it, it won't work. Remove the status, give the stop, hit enter. Now reload this page. See, site cannot be reached. Okay, so start it again. So to connect to Jenkins portal, Jenkins service must be up and running. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Jenkins is running. Now reload, Control R. Now we have to give the username that we have created. Provide the password, then click on sign in. Username is wrong, that's why. Click on sign in. See, now we are able to see we got the same console. If you want to restart Jenkins, go to create Control N, just replace this, just add RE in front of start. Hit enter. If we restart, then also this won't work. We have to wait until restart completes. See, after restart also, if you reload this page, again we need to log in. Click on sign in. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins on Ubuntu Server 24.04 LTS version. For more Jenkins or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.